Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Ediana Ghana here say now who can give what Ghanaians want?
From me that's for Akwenya we. Na
dear Pana Ghana for say now fine and a bit me dear Ghana for dear more.
Me sure dear yenhihye ye omampani adodanko akufuado. Ebedi mampani firi omampani kufuo bre so hwe modern mo mabo when it comes to social intervention programs near the idea empanifo idi aba na ofa hwe ba bia chichiro oman na beduru na die hia sesi aye nyumanuma na obi bisa me kasem we ba bi na obi frame na obi zam say banana ke yakwan so hia yin o enam se me da se so de wadwen nkira ba me analysis amaye ne de mahunu ni say ofa so nam kwan papa so na kom de na oni sika de to aduane adi a obenya bi de afoka akofa sa akwan de so ba se wo ya adwuma na se bosumesu ni etua ka every day obefoka benefit from kwan papa na on se yenye no. So the most important thing the here Ghana for a mebunu carry the majority of this nation no of ayenuma a kwan be na MPP as a political party ye faso na ye bia enuma ama Ghana for mebunu do na enye bia ye. I think this is more important to this nation than to be sitting somewhere a whole majority leader what just had niema papa we nyina o se adwene for man ho no ato ho and na wo say campaign na wo ye say de na wo ye obi ante ase offer ga say you can free junior high school so mampani kufo na yema yen you can free senior high school mampani adodankwa kufo ado ayama yen afei de aka ne say yatimi de nkwala free junior high school no aba senior high school na wie ade ni ade to watwen sa mabunu ya yema medication yi so mu wie school na mo meye wo wie school ade ohwehwe ne say obenya dwuma bia ye no wa hye na brabo ase no fasade e be ya adwuma na himfa na bi wo ene wanya bia ye ehe ne ya create bi no akwa akopa bi wo ho ehimfa no wonfa eno ni school akọ ye ne so aba mfaso eno nti ena make say na nka mehwe honorable say chairman sabunzu sa bere we say mu no obeba bonten with some of these ideas oman no yanwene Ghana ho asoman ye wi a ye ba party nsem na ya to abayi party mpanimfo honorable say chairman sabunzu won ka ho enti yenya isa adwumadi ni masa party mpanimfo na ya to abayi wo mu no no mo sise niema obanse da bia me kasa se me party general secretary John Buodu on issue any statement say afei ye be nomination obi betime a campaign so okwa akoto oba be di NPP anim as a political party obi betime akose obedo opeso ye polling station chairman polling station executive constituency executive electoral area executives regional executive national executive ye bie nomination obi betime abefa no abe campaign no obi a wo try so be campaign this time bia no fa aye illegal party ni betimi suspended on that
Illegal pa.
Illegal. And nothing na me di kan say me expect me party leadership say someone no boss say chairman sabunsu akoka no on be friend no matwe na so. Say sabe party mpanimfo issue statement. So obi antwe ne ho mfiri sa de we say ho. Enti senka wo say ofaso be study a enka mu ye din pa o. Ko na obi asuro so be kwakọ yi wanim so be kwakọ ese me kwa campaign many pass mercy. But then honorable say chairman sabunsu adaroma wase je aguma mamamfo nya kwan kasa a mimi gidi ye se nya kwan papa no the kwan papa say ye nyina ye dwene Ghana ho ne ye de Ghana fa ne say o mampani adodankwa akufo adobre is we introduce bibi a friend one district one factory of a kwan ben ye befa so a 1D1F no ye betimi atete mama district bi anya bi na if possible district bi one ma do deserve mienu miensa no ye mfa ma no because mabunu benya adwuma ye of a year he say, let me see Obi or economist of a TMA. The whole were the best economists. See a kofani bagana. No also bet me as topo dollar CD. The friend say a challenge in it and to acquire a cost between dollar and CD. No, or bet me as I ask support with economic skills are oboa. Obi to me yes edumano. Nipo bet me as edumani do baby yenuma. Say two pick na ye krano. Afei sika dollar na yes sande ko crab toothpick no me enkra biem makofa machines free China Dubai e dia bagana yenye toothpick no okrom ha dollar yes sande no for be sande akwede biem afa ye de na ebe ye no ebe kwa ma no ne akɔpɛ dollar de aba yes say yes di need to dollar offer the to sumienu hwɛ 10 tomatoes make the amount of money
import substitution
and na eku o man yi si betimi ago man pani ni swade hu na wanya Ghana beyond aid no e betimi possible a agese yen nyina ya channel na asoman ye direct yen focus no on industrialization mami mboro ayi papa yi word ayi friend say oh dalate domestication offer peace FM ba yi me kai 2000 satam na radio ya hit wo mamu I think Vibe FM mo and na you think na na etie in those days adabraka mu ho Choice FM mo and GBC 2000 is it 2099 a Peace FM ba ye 99 and a Peace FM ba ye mu ba ye hwe ni padodo a Peace FM afa o madwuma Peace FM free ho no wawo emma bebiri abeka ho ode your friend say okay FM aba ode ni FM amete so kasa ne yaba ode UTV aba ofamo dan ye si hei ye kan workers are despite opani tu am ka bosome ni ye kan sika papa ne spending on workers are ofa ye ska bebiri say papa na mi adwuma we yan ka mo nyina mo haw e da ban so enti mire aduru no ba bi ye duru ye enuma mire ye hwehwe obi ode Ghana be ko ba bi a ye be bi enuma social interventions no ya ye dodo na afen ye wo say ye make school free enso fa say uma eko school free na say woni adwuma ye na wuti fie a enkwala ne po school ba do mbedie etima BP kum enti ye do man panye kufu ado ase afen me de Ghana fo nyina ne me be ya adua nka ye putu everything on hold no fa ye sika ye raise ni nyina ye mfa mi adwuma ye mfa mi enuma the can't tell say yeah, man, the next 5-10 years. Yes, is importation on commodities are you bet me I will memu. Of a wow clum, baby attack with Santa Chimago. Share everybody a bresso. Now her body a break a process or honoma. It is me for body in your BBA. Of a minute, what you could be hey. Baby, a friend say, oh, did your tomatoes see. Of us, so much season almost tomatoes. Now, Kosha dear, a break process no, and also change your moton. Of a baby, a dear Mokokuma and a air time. And the intimate tenacity say mine. Nayan Kayamu Momu say, baby, a dear near Henny. Yen started with tomatoes, yen started with onion. Ye we are. Yen my home they say. Sa tomatoes near this statia. Yen ya the adjuni dear chile. Ye training crofo. Say tomatoes are ye dear or membono. Ye the machines si bania process it. Near the 10 tomatoes a betting me lasting long. Ah, Emma the yediano and pronounce cycle. Offer says a yajuni near. Yeah, my who just about 10-15 years Ghana beyond aid to be trapped. Young Cobusian Bobium. A fair you best start to see a man for Bosia. Her China. Of us, why would you did not know catch them as a Ghana in your independent class and if you be a Turkey? Malaysia for
and South Korea.
And so, your way. And yet, that's what you my dear memoir say, and say, a non account no me penny who you. As a non account, young go for no me penny who abra critical issues war no ma, else a junior who as a nation. Media the entire me bo, my asana, a honorable say, Chairman Sabuzu can, and say, and send be say at a political party. One ya careful. Affair can force also who say young met me can pay this 2020 election of Asanya can regions and I say let me be specific Ashanti regional and Kajoma president. Ashanti region go vote to me cancel almost 9 regions. And then o mampeni adan ko Akufo-Addo eda so tia konya so edi hini se Ghana mampeni. Entu ka kire yen say yentu oma chese oma save yen oma ji yen nyina mu baabi. Na yen fa yen focus on say ye ko hon ye ko ebia northern part of Ghana na enu be boy raise yen vote ni wo ho ofa unim adwuma Peter Amawi ye e wo hohoi
ka kire yen
adwuma papa ne boy ye na ne nkan PP ye nyai ye me nko primaries ye fa mawu no lady MPP mo on fire na running mate kro no nko a no nko wo fa ye bonkrophobia omonya accounts omonya nodness adwuma o maye e de asum NPP a me say enka de omo keka na omo nko ho Ghana fo bofu na Ghana fo ani abere enye nsema Ghana fo patie nie ono bo say chairman Nsambosu de e referee ni won say o maye nhunu ni leadership no through Ghana man enkoso eduru time o say ye partisan politics na empanifo be bi ngumoma to ho sa fedie ye na mato abayi yen say ye MPP mpanifo ene akandifo de yen se say ye de atofo nie upeso ye polling station executive eda wey ye be kwa koto oba ye pick nomination for that say ko fele na fa de bra uwie ne ato oba na uwie ni a wa be polling station executive ye free no a ebi a ya electoral areas ye free no a ya ba constituencies no ye wie constituencies na ya ba regional ye wie regional of ya ba national ye wie national na afei the new executive and national ye yi wo mo no o ma lead yen amia koto oba ai the friend say flag bearer yenya nduru ho yen starting po ti opani wo pepere ne ho akohen Ghana mabunu hia nyuma Ghana mabunu hia so mo ho beto wo mo Ghana mabunu full soldiers a wo di yachi ene ye campaign after radio so see ya call see ya testers they are still crying this will be a burden to honorable say chairman Nsambosu say e kwa ba nya be fa so na yen crofo mu di yachi som yen no yetimi apanuma mama kuma to mo yam na 2024 no o matimi asan di yachi biem sa wo so wo dwene MPP ho di a o mra from no mra na full soldiers ni su the party communicators see ya callers are crying or your leader o me hu ni leadership no say wo so concerned about the future of MPP and then the future of Sabe the asema obeka yon fado obi abeka say the personal gain because abranin son ye a wrong timing and some wo fi o say e hwani yetoto Sabe honorable say chairman Nsambosu ye mpanifo a ofa Ghana the young politician do not looking up to him the serano
adewe say
ma on cancel be be microphobia lose interest in him
me read adewe say mfama na quite unfortunately I'm unable to read the dino because our request say
men can need
but
Utie Oha Exi Ponkno Needs FM